Hello and welcome to another Electric World video featuring the latest news about EV world. This time, we would be discussing hot updates on Gigafactory Berlin and Tesla's new partnership with Samsung. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. It helps you get notified when we post more content just like this. Let's get started. Dietmar Woidke, the Prime Minister of Brandenburg, is delighted that Tesla will add cell manufacturing to the Giga Berlin site despite delaying vehicle production. Tesla got approval from Germany's Federal Ministry of Economics in January to start preliminary work on the battery plant that will supply Tesla's Berlin Gigafactory. The announcement was made by the ministry's chief, Peter Altmaier, who bundled the applications of many companies interested in producing battery cells. The proposals were then sent to the EU Commission by Altmaier. The names of 42 companies interested in battery cell manufacturing in the EU were submitted to the Commission by the German economy chief and Tesla together. After deliberating on how to allocate $3.5 billion in assistance among all members, the EU awarded Tesla $1.2 billion. Following that, Tesla began work on the battery plant at the Giga Berlin site. Tesla, on the other hand, began production on the shed with a permit for a storage area and planned to later amend the plans to include a battery factory. This may have been done to speed up the process, but according to the Brandenburg State Environment Agency, improvements to the factory's plans are important enough that the application for environmental approval would possibly have to be publicly interpreted again. This process would take an additional 3 months, delaying the start of production at Giga Berlin by the same amount of time. According to Tesla's Q1 earnings report, the start of production at Giga Berlin is now scheduled to begin by the end of 2021. Even though the addition of the battery plant will trigger a delay in production, Brandenburg's Prime Minister Dietmar Woidke is pleased that Tesla will add cell manufacturing to the site. Woidke told the German press agency, "The application, which Tesla will soon have submitted, changed, expanded to include the construction of a battery factory, is positive news for the country. It's an additional investment that Tesla has decided to make here." Woidke, on the other hand, seems to suggest if Tesla adds an application to construct a battery plant to the existing permit, the issue of delayed final permits would be out of his hands. Woidke said, "It goes without saying that if this additional investment now flows into the permit application, the application documents must be revised, and then the approval authorities have the last word. We are well advised to do everything we can to ensure the entire permit for car production in Grünheide runs in a legally secure manner. The further process is currently being discussed. In the grand scheme of things, this delay would be a slight glitch in Tesla's plans to become the world's largest automotive company by 2030. Tesla's Gigafactory in Berlin will be the company's most advanced factory to date. The plant is now expected to include Tesla's newest 4,680 cells with a structural pack, among other things. Furthermore, the Model Y, the first vehicle to be produced at Giga Berlin, is expected to have stunning colors that change subtly with curvature. Elon Musk claims that this will be the world's most advanced paint store, and construction of the facility with Tesla partner Gigafactory appears to be on track. The next big news is that Tesla and Samsung's partnership is becoming more entrenched and stronger over time. The two companies already collaborate on full self-driving chips and cameras, which Samsung already supplies to Tesla. It has now been announced that Samsung's smart headlamps will be making their way into Tesla cars, giving the partnership even more traction. According to Korea IT News, Samsung's smart headlamps will be included with Tesla cars. The smart headlamps are already in large-scale production, and soon Tesla owners can see them equipped in new cars, according to the Korean media source. Hella, a German auto parts manufacturer, will supply Samsung's LED headlamps to Tesla after they have been modularized. As previously said, this is not Tesla and Samsung's first partnership. The two giant companies collaborate on the development of full self-driving chips. These are manufactured by Samsung at a factory in Austin, Texas. It was revealed in January that the two companies would work on developing a 5nm semiconductor for the Media Control Unit, or MCU, for its autonomous vehicle project. According to Elec, Samsung Electromechanics has been providing automotive camera modules for Tesla vehicles since 2019, but the automakers has had various collaborations with other automakers since 2012. Interestingly, Tesla was rumored to be planning an update to the headlights in Model 3 vehicles in December 2020. Hella, who will provide Tesla with Samsung headlights, has an adaptive headlight system that improves vision in dark, difficult driving situations. The adaptive headlight mechanism on Model 3 and Model Y will improve the efficiency of the headlamps. Based on the IIHS's assessment of the car, the Model 3 also has the top rating for its headlights. Tesla seems to be improving cars' quality, making them much safer than they already are. The relationship between Tesla and Samsung has blossomed into a multi-item partnership for the two firms to enjoy. Tesla also uses highly powerful chips from Samsung, which have been coupled with some of the most robust engineering efforts in the world, as Tesla has already established itself as the pioneer in self-driving cars. Though Tesla vehicles are not yet completely autonomous, the automaker is moving rapidly toward that goal. That was all for today and the latest news we knew about Tesla, and thanks for watching the video. If you want to continue to learn about everything regarding Tesla's next projects and Elon Musk or electric vehicles, we've got 2 more video options for you on the screen to check out. And don't forget to give a thumbs up on this video if you liked it, and subscribe to our Electric World channel for daily content just like this.